Hi, in this video I want to show you how to install Fedora Linux. In this tutorial I'm using VirtualBox to simulate installation, but the way of installation still same either you use VirtualBox or bare metal machine. First we create VirtualBox instance, and if you install to bare metal machine you can skip this step. In VirtualBox main window, click New button, type your instance names. For type, select Linux, and for version I choose Fedora 64-bit because I have ISO 64-bit. And if you have Fedora installation or ISO 32-bit, then you must select Fedora 32-bit. And for memory size I leave it to default, but if you want you can add more. But for this tutorial I just want to use default or 1 gig. And for hard disk, leave it to default, so click create button. Next we need to create a virtual hard disk. Select your location for virtual hard disk, and for file size I leave it to default, but you can add more if you want. And for other setting leave it to default, so click create button. Next select your instance and click setting, go to system, uncheck floppy and send it to bottom. For processor you can use 1 CPU or 2 CPU. For this tutorial I just want to use 2 CPU. Check enable PAENX. Next for display, enable 3D acceleration, and for video memory I set it to max value. And for storage, now choose your Fedora ISO and leave all setting to default, so now click OK button. And next we run Fedora instance. Okay, now now installation option appear. Select start Fedora Workstation Live 25. But if you want to test your media first to make sure installation not get any error, then you can choose this, test this media and start Fedora Workstation Live 25. But in this tutorial I don't have any problem with my ISO or installation media, so I choose start Fedora Workstation Live 25 and click enter. Next click live setting user to enter your Fedora desktop or enter installation window. Next you can choose try Fedora if you want to play with Fedora or see Fedora before installing them. And For this tutorial, I just want to install Fedora, so I choose install to hard drive. Click install. Next, select installation language. Here I use English, United States. Click continue. Next, click installation destination that marked with warning sign. Here we ask to max partition. For simple installation, leave all setting to default and click done button here. Okay, make sure all installation setting has configured as you want, then click begin installation and make sure all the setting has done or configured correctly and don't have any sign of warning. So now click begin installation. While installation process running, we need to set root password. Root user is that user you need to user that you need when you want to install program or make some setting system. So now we need to set root password. Type again or confirm your password and click done. Okay, this make long. Okay, now we need to create a user that use for login. Type your name, full name, and type your username for login. Type your password for login and done. I'm forget. For username you can choose different from your name like this, but for this tutorial I just want to leave it to default. Click done when you finish. Okay, done again. Okay, now we have to wait installation process. Okay, now installation process complete, so click quit. And next we need to restart Fedora. For this step, make sure you don't remove any installation media, because before I try to remove installation media before restarting, Fedora will get error and can boot to hard. Make sure you don't remove installation media here, because I tried before to remove installation media, that Fedora will error and will not boot to your hard drive. So now we restart first. Okay, now Fedora will save some setting that we set on installation process. Okay, now after installation, now after restart Fedora now after restart your computer or your instance, next remove your installation media. For VirtualBox, just force unmount. For bare metal machine installation, remove your DVD installation for your DVD drive and restart again. Okay, now boot option will appear. Okay, now boot option appear and select Fedora option on top okay, now boot option appear and select option on top because option on bottom is for rescue only. So select Fedora option on top and enter. Okay, next login window. Click your login name or use okay, login window appear. Click your login name and type your password that you set while installation process. Enter. Okay. Okay, now GNOME initial setup window appear and select your language. Here I just set United States. Click next. And for your keyboard layout, because I'm using English US, so I choose English US. And here for privacy, you can set all privacy to off, or you can set on, whatever you want, and click next. Here option to you here an option for you connect. Okay, here okay, here optional. Okay, here optional setting if you want to connect to your online account, but in this tutorial I just want to skip this step because I don't want to connect my online account. You can skip through or you can connect to your online account. Okay, now we can start using Fedora. Okay, this is not necessary. Just close. and now you can start using Fedora. And okay, now you have success install Fedora Linux. I hope this tutorial helped you to install Fedora, and sorry for my language. Click like button if this video helpful, or dislike button if not. If you have some feedback, then you can leave it in comment below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in next video.